Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a black and white video in CapCut. Let's get right into it. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to work on. Then drag it to your timeline. With the video clip selected, head over to the Settings panel and click on the Adjustment tab. Look for the settings under Adjust. You'll see several sliders like temperature, tint, saturation, and others. What we're interested in is the saturation slider. To make your video black and white, drag the saturation slider all the way to the left. You'll notice right away that your video has turned black and white. Once you've done that, play through the video to make sure it looks the way you want. If you're not happy with it, you can still make further adjustments to it to achieve the exact black and white effect you're looking for. Just play around with the rest of the sliders for other settings until you achieve your desired look. And there you have it. Your black and white video is ready to go. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.